Like I had a problem with drug misuse for many years, escalating from, one to another. Living up the valley, sort of not getting anywhere, just sticking with the one crowd. And I wasn't involved with the family for a long time either. And I think with a brother getting back in touch with me and seeing where my life had led and seeing the hurt, and I had an offer from an auntie to move away because my auntie lives in Cardiff. So I decided to take that opportunity and that offer.
Rachael was extremely shy, suffering from high levels of anxiety, very low self-esteem, and just had little to no confidence. She'd spent the first 2 months really kind of looking down.
When I decided to do it, it was like what they call the access phase. All the people new starting is for you to all like bond and get to know each other. All the support was there, and the youth workers were really, really good, really friendly, and you couldn't be out shy on your own because it wouldn't happen. You had to talk, you had to lead, you had to take every type of role.
The Rachael that you see today is a completely different person. She is confident, articulate, extremely intelligent, which we could see from the start anyhow. The way that she communicates, the way that she holds herself, and her aspirations for her own future, and the knowledge that actually she can achieve and does achieve outstanding results.
Setting goals, and achieving those goals, and always setting new challenges. And that's what Fairbridge taught me. Like every course I'd done, you'd always have a goal, even if it's something little. And now I've moved on to college, I just try to carry that on, just to keep myself going and think, right, yeah, I've achieved that, just that little buzz, and that's what keeps me going, yeah.
All of us here at Fairbridge are extremely proud of you, Rachael. You've come so far and you're going even further.
I feel brilliant. I can't believe it. I feel awesome, and it's just another thing to keep you driving on, and I'm just really thankful.